In today's video, I will walk you through how to add friends on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once the app is open, look at the top of the screen for the search bar. Click inside the search bar and type your friend's name. If you have their exact username, you can use that instead to make the search more precise. As the results appear, focus on the Profiles section. This section is separate from songs, artists, and podcasts. If you don't see profiles right away, scroll through the results until you find it. Look through the available profiles and check the visible details to find the correct person. You can use their profile photo and any other visible information to help identify the right account. Once you've found the correct profile, click their name to open it. On their profile page, look for the Follow button. Click Follow to start following that person. The button should change to show that you're now following them. Once you're following the profile, you'll be able to see their public activity and any playlists they have chosen to make public. If multiple people have the same name, try refining your search using additional details, such as a handle they use elsewhere. If you still can't find your friend, their account may be using a different display name than you expect. In that case, ask them for their exact username and search for that instead. That's the main process. Search for your friend by name or username, find the correct profile in the Profiles section, open their profile, and click Follow. You can repeat the same process to follow more friends. If you decide you no longer want to follow someone, return to their profile and select the option to unfollow them. If the Follow button doesn't appear or nothing happens after you click it, close and reopen the app, then try again. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable so the search results and profile pages can load properly. And that's how to add friends on Spotify. Search for the person you want to follow, select the correct profile, and click Follow. Thank you for watching.